This is a 22 News Storm Team Weather Alert.
So now is 4:45 on this Friday morning. Going to be completely fine out there today. We do have a weather alert up though because there is some snow likely for the day tomorrow. Kind of just more giving you an advanced heads up if you do have any weekend plans. And especially for tomorrow, you'll likely be dealing with some light snow during the day. But Chicopee, not looking too bad out there. Greenfield looks pretty good as well. We got a breeze coming in right out of the west and northwest here. 20 miles per hour Springfield, 25 miles per hour there in Pittsfield. Wind gusts have been over 30 miles per hour in spots. Notice back in Pittsfield, 41 miles per hour there. So it is quite windy out there this morning. The wind will back off a little bit as we go throughout the day, but it still will be breezy out there. Temperatures up and down the valley, mostly in the teens. 19 in Springfield, 17 there in Northampton. You factor in that wind, and this is what it feels like when you walk outside. Only 3 degrees in Springfield and Westfield, 1 below 0 Greenfield. Negative 11, the wind chill in Pittsfield. So definitely very cold out there this morning. Going throughout the rest of the day, 22 Storm Team Daycast here. We'll see a lot of sun through the morning and afternoon. So again, even though that weather alert is up here, today will be fine. That is more for tomorrow. We're just giving you that heads up that some light snow is possible. So bright, brisk, and breezy today. And that is the top of the 22 Storm Team forecast focus. Got some light snow for the day tomorrow. Again, not going to be anything heavy or major, but it will be enough that it could create some slick spots on some roads. Temperatures in the 30s. And then we turn very cold throughout the rest of next week. I expect that much of next week, air temperature will be around or below freezing. So definitely the winter-like air is returning. It will definitely feel like January. Right now it's quiet. Taking a wider view on clouds and radar, you can see much of the region looks fine. As we go throughout the rest of the day here, 22 Storm Team Skycast, 7 a.m. towards 9 a.m., nothing but sun. Heading through the afternoon, a bright blue sky. It's a beautiful day. It will be chilly, a little breezy, but the sun will be out through the afternoon, heading into the evening. Once we get past 6 p.m., we'll bring in clouds slowly. Notice we're mostly dry, and then around 3 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, we start to bring in a little light snow. So at this time tomorrow morning, we'll likely be seeing a little light snow falling out there. Notice here 6 a.m. on Saturday, light snow continues, and that will continue on and off through the morning. Here we are in the afternoon around 12 p.m., snow falling. That continues through around 3 o'clock, and then it's mostly out of here. So much of tomorrow morning and early in the afternoon, there will be some light snow falling. Again, this is not going to be anything major, but we're expecting around 1 to 3 inches up and down the valley and points off to the east here. So it's enough that it could create some slick spots on the roads. Once you get back in the Berkshire, some of the higher terrain, that's where you might find a bit more. 3, 4 inches can't be ruled out, maybe an isolated 5. But again, here in the valley, for many of us, 1 to 3 inches looks pretty likely. So again, not a lot, but it's enough to create a nuisance for the day on Saturday. 30 to 34 out there, mostly sunny, breezy as we go towards this afternoon. Heading through tonight, mostly cloudy. Snow will develop after midnight, 16 to 22 degrees. For the rest of the 22 Storm Team 7-day forecast, got that snow on and off for much of the day tomorrow, with temperatures in the mid-30s. We do have the chance for maybe a few snow showers on Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening. Not anything major, but there could be a few snow showers around. And then much of next week looks dry, but it's very cold. Look at the high temperature on Tuesday, only in the upper teens to near 20 degrees. Overnight low temperatures in the single digits. So it'll be nothing but cold to talk about heading into next week. Want to check out our latest forecast? You could do so by getting the free 22 News mobile app.